Today we're baking classic chocolate chip cookies.
Soft, gooey, chocolatey.
Let's set up and bake step by step. Everything is pre-measured, so baking feels easy.
No rushing.
We'll use soft butter, 2 sugars, an egg, vanilla,
And lots of chocolate chips.
Tools are simple: a bowl, a mixer or whisk, and a spatula.
Cookie scoop for perfect size.
Tray and clean parchment for baking. Preheat the oven to 175 Celsius.
Heat first, always.
Line the tray with clean parchment, flat and smooth. Your butter should be soft, not melted.
Soft makes fluffy.
That's how we get a tender cookie texture. Add 125 grams of soft butter to the bowl. Nice and neat. Now we add the sugars. White sugar helps crisp the edges. Brown sugar brings chewiness. Chewy is my favorite.
Add both sugars to the butter. Then we cream it.
And mix. Here's time.
Mix until lighter and fluffy.
Creaming adds tiny air pockets.
Tiny air. Big difference.
This helps cookies rise gently instead of spreading too fast. Scrape down the bowl.
No hidden butter.
Then mix again until everything looks even. Add 1 egg.
Room temperature helps it blend smoothly.
Mix just until combined. This should look creamy and cohesive.
Like silky caramel, but cookie style.
Now we prepare the dry ingredients. Second bowl, 200 grams of flour.
Level it off for accuracy.
Next, baking soda and salt. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda.
This helps the cookie lift.
Small amount, big effect.
Add a pinch of salt.
Salt makes chocolate taste deeper.
Now whisk this dry mix well.
Whisk until the baking soda and salt are evenly distributed.
No streaks.
Now we combine wet and dry. Dry mix in 2 parts. Gentle mixing.
This keeps cookies tender.
Mix slowly, just until most flour disappears.
We don't want tough cookies.
Pause and scrape the bowl.
Add the remaining dry ingredients.
Mix only until you don't see flour.
Stop right there.
The dough should be soft and thick.
Not sticky soup.
Now it's chocolate chip time. Fold, scrape, and fold again.
Even chocolate in every cookie.
Try not to overwork the dough. That's our finished dough.
It already looks delicious.
Next, cover the bowl. Chill for 20 to 30 minutes. While it chills, keep your tray ready.
Clean parchment stays clean.
Now grab your cookie scoop. Scoop even portions.
Same size, same bake.
Release each scoop gently onto the tray. Leave space between each cookie.
They spread.
A neat layout helps them bake evenly. Make a simple grid.
Orderly cookies.
Even spacing means even color and texture. Press a few chips on top for that bakery look.
Pretty cookies.
Just a light touch. No squishing. Place the tray on the center rack.
Center rack is best.
Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Spread and puff slightly.
So satisfying.
Let them bake undisturbed. Carefully remove the tray. Smells incredible. Rest on the tray for 5 minutes. This resting time is important.
Carryover heat.
It firms the bottoms while keeping the centers soft. Now move them to a cooling rack.
Air underneath helps.
That keeps edges crisp. Look at that beautiful batch.
They're glowing.
Let them cool a bit more before serving. Arrange them on a board or plate.
Presentation matters.
Warm cookies look extra inviting. Okay. The texture check.
Chocolate stretch.
Soft center, crisp edges. Perfect.
Completely. Then store airtight. Keeps them soft. They stay great for a few days.
That's our full chocolate chip cookie guide.
Simple steps, big results.
Tell us what you want next. Nuts, caramel, or extra dark chocolate?